Hey guys, this is Anthony from Avant Samples, and I'm really excited to be presenting one of our newest bonus packs, Tech House Midi. We made Tech House Midi to build what we believe is the core fundamental to Tech House, a groovy, catchy bass line. The pack includes our Tech House Elements Midi, as well as a bunch of never sold before Tech House Midi bass lines. So let's go ahead and hop right into the pack, show you what it has to offer, and show you how it can help your production. So I'm in FL Studio. I'm gonna go ahead and set the BPM to 125. I am going to pull in one of the top loops from Tech House Elements, our full Tech House pack. This is also for sale on our website. We make these bonus packs to try to add to our overall pack, but we also know that some people just want to come in and might just want Tech House Midi, so we want to offer a cheap alternative so you don't have to buy the entire pack. I'm going to go ahead and pull in one of the top loops here. Let's take a listen to some of them. I think this is a really, really dope groove. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open a new layer here and throw in a serum. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Tech House Elements basses, and I'll just go ahead and pick the first bass. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on here, and then I'm gonna throw that on my first channel and throw a kickstart over it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go back to my pattern here, and I'm gonna start dragging in midis and showing you guys, what they sound like. So let's go to the Tech House MIDI folder here. As you can see, within it is all of the Tech House Elements bass loops. So you have 25 of those, as well as the 25 never sold before Tech House Bassline Midis. So it's a total of 50 midis you get. If you already have Tech House Elements, it's an extra 25, but we really built these to flow and make it so that you can produce a solid Tech House and you have that core fundamental groovy bass line. So I'm gonna drag that in here, and I'm gonna take a listen. I'm gonna go ahead and overlay it with our drum loop that we have here and just see what this first one sounds like. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through some of these, have you guys listen to them and just see how solid they sound right out of the box. These are obviously 100% royalty free, so you're welcome to just drag them into your track and use them right out of the box. But we also want it to inspire some creativity within you so that, if you're stuck or in a rut and you're working on a track and you're just not able to, write out a bass line, go ahead and go into here, match the key with your track you're writing, and it's going to inspire some creativity to make something, completely fresh or completely new. So as you guys can tell, I'm just using this with one really, really simple bass, and these are all sounding right out of the box, just super groovy and, just inspiring creativity through this genre. Throw a pair of vocals in here. Might as well throw something in here just to see what it would sound like with some vocals on top. Let's go ahead and look at our Tech House Vocals sample pack, which is also available as a bonus pack on our website. And let's go ahead and pull in one of these vocal loops. And let's just throw these vocals over top of it and see what it sounds like.
Bring the beat in, bring the lows up, a clash hit, and fuck 'em up. Bring the beat in, bring the lows up, a clash hit, and fuck 'em up.
So just like that, we have a really catchy bass line. We got some catchy vocals, and that's what we're trying to do here. Make it easy for you to make the best music you can. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, we're always open to what packs you guys want from us. We're here to serve you guys and bring you guys the best quality sample packs that we can. So if you guys have any suggestions for future packs, leave them below, and hope you guys enjoy the pack. Peace.